Right, this is the autopsy video. I've had a bit of a clear up, you can see. Yeah, so headlights in. We've worked out that's damage. They've got to be sorted. I'm gonna have another go at the bonnet hinges tomorrow. I'm gonna have another try to change the hinges because the parameters, it just doesn't seem to want to do what I want. So I'm going to try and alter them slightly. So I was just trying really to tidy up a little bit. And my next plan of attack was to get maybe possibly the car onto the lift. I don't know whether that's a good idea or not. I'm tired actually, I've had enough tonight. I've had a day today. I've had a day today with it. And it's 20. It's coming on there. I cannot honestly say that I can complain. I can, but it wouldn't be any good. So yeah, so tomorrow hopefully we'll have another go at the bonnet hinges. We will see whether there's can be anything better done there. It's just very, very hard to do certain things that are not going according to plan, but we'll be alright. We'll be fine. We'll get there. We don't give up easy. Well, we do. I might give up soon, but yeah. So just literally tidying the shed. Really, I got a bit of a sort of trying to make some room. It's so cramped in here. I know everyone says, "Well, yeah, well, what's rubbish you got?" Yeah, well, that's right. There is a lot of rubbish in here, but it's very hard because there is an issue where you got to have all the crap around you to be able to do this sort of stuff, and then if you don't have the crap, you haven't got the room. So at the moment, I'm just I don't know. It's like we're coming on, but anyway, we can't make any issues about it. We've got to just get on and keep at it. I mean, I've wasted a lot of time on this car, struggling with the bonnet hinges. I've struggled with the front shroud, I've struggled with the wings. I mean, I've got it all made. I've got the Orca mated. I've got to sort the lower valance out, but I think I'm going to leave that till tomorrow until we have a good look at the bonnet hinges. But on the face of it, I need to find the wiper spindles and that system, whatever it's going to do there. I haven't worked that out. I think I might just go for a modern side type, just go for wheel boxes instead of that stupid linkage crap. Just like I got some MGB ones over there, I think, in the dark rooms. And like I say, they'll be better. I haven't done anything or blast anything here. I need to get this, but I need to sort of get it up in the air a little bit. I can't keep down on the floor. I'm hurting my legs, my back hurts. I mean, I'm just struggling with it. So, as I said, it's hard going. But, as they said, always look on the bright side of life. And I don't want to think about it today. I'm going to think about it tomorrow. So I'm just literally going to just tidy a few more bits, finish beef ciders, and I think I'm going to go and pack it in. So that'll be it. If I get up in the air, I can have a go at that. Don't quite know what I'm going to do. It looks like I'm going to have to change the profile of the arch, but for all the car enthusiasts, I think, well, I know this is going to be, because I'm actually biased, I think that looks not bad for the amount of time and hassle I spent on it. Yeah, well, let's do it this way. Yeah, for an old man in a shed, I think, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think I just got to get it up in the air, and then I exhaust my voice. I'm going to have a good look tomorrow. That is what I am going to do. I am going to go into the realms of these cabinet spaces, and I am going to find, I think, the bits that are missing, and I think I've got somewhere. I mean, somewhere. I am pretty damn certain I have some bonnet hinges. I'm not certainly gonna sort of, guess for sure. But I think I have got some hot hinges, and I don't know where they could be. But I mean, as it stands at the moment, I've got nothing to lose by trying to find them. I mean, they can't be far away. If I have some hinges, then fair enough. If I haven't, well, I'm going to try and make some better ones than that. And the only other thing is the exhaust manifold and the prop shaft, which obviously is why it needs to go up in the air. Got to sort that boot lid out. The boot lid's not very nice, but we'll bash that back into shape. We've got some back lights to sort out. Got the rear window. Got an idea. The windscreen guy, rather than pay lots of money for rubbers, he's got an idea that I can just bond that in. So he says cut some wooden blocks, screw them in to raise the level so the glass comes flush, and then he can fill it full of bonding and put a chrome beader in, he says. So that's what we're going to do. Obviously, once I get the wiper blades sorted, and I think in reality I've also got to have a good look through and see what else I can find. I need some of the wing straight things, the two chromes are there. I think I've got some, I don't know. I know I've got DB6 ones, I know I've got some, I think, for a 4 or 5, but I don't think I've got any. These are bigger and uglier, so we will have to get our thinking cap on for that, but I think, I think she looks good. And that's just my opinion, so no one listens to me anyway, so I will sign off there and just say, it's hard going for repairing cars, hard going.